Part 1. The Quiet Kid with a Secret. At Jefferson High, life was painfully average. Group projects, hallway traffic jams, and cafeteria food that tasted like sad decisions. Then came Miles Parker. Quiet, hoodie-wearing, never raised his hand, a ghost in human form. But Miles had a secret. He ran a blog, Lunchroom Confidential, where he roasted cafeteria meals like a burned-out Gordon Ramsay. Monday meatloaf. Microwaved trauma, 210. Pizza Friday, tastes like regret. Then came the school's pride, the Southwestern Fiesta Bowl. Carol, the lunch lady in charge, called it the future of cafeteria cuisine. Miles reviewed it that night. Fiesta Bowl? More like digestive roulette. Pray before eating. 0 stars. And that's where everything changed.